The commands we've used so far in Blockly do not allow us to control the robot very accurately or very precisely. However, there is a solution. Let's go to View and Mode, and we'll find that we've been operating in beginner mode. Let's change to intermediate mode, and we'll also turn off the code, which we're not using at the moment. You will notice that in intermediate mode, we have a lot more controls here. We're going to try and use the robot to go around the moon again, but with these intermediate commands. By clicking on motors, we'll see we've got a whole lot of more detailed commands. Let's use this drive at speed such and such for so many seconds. We'll put that out and clip that in. And we'll then want the motor to, our robot to turn. And we'll notice that we have a rotate command down here. Let's try that one. So we want it to go out to the moon. We want it to turn right. We want it to go straight past the moon. We want it to turn right again, and then we want it to drive back. Okay, so that's basically what we wanted to do. Now, because to save time, we've already tried this out with trial and error, and we know if we go out at speed 50 for 4.4 seconds, we know if we want to turn right, and we go at speed 50, in this case we'll make it 1.6 seconds. Going across the back of the moon on the far side, we'll go at speed 50, and we'll do that for 5.5 seconds. We'll turn right again at speed 50 for 1.7 seconds, and then coming back past the moon, hopefully without hitting it, we'll come back for 5 seconds. How do we get these numbers? As I've said, we've used trial and error in this case, and we've done it before, and so this is what happened when we actually ran it. Click Run,